So this video will talk about the structure assignment that some students have an issue unable to understand. This is talking about the assignment is um, uh, program using structures, right? So this involves a couple of things. You'll be reading the file, each and every line, to read the data in an array of structure. Basically, let's take it one step at a time. Okay, you have to go and look at that file first of all. So what this file is all about. See, this is the file, and each line has fields. You see that information. This is much similar to your ls minus l. You see that each line I have copied into this file basically. Okay, so let's go to that. And if you see, let's take one line at a time. Okay, one line. Let's take a line. There's no rocket science in here. If you see, this is the permission, this is the link, this is the username, group name, size of the file, month, day, year or timestamp, whatever. I made it as a string in the file name. If you see, this matches, each field matches the structure I gave you. You see here, you focus on this part. Okay, see the structure I have: permission, username, group name, unsigned char links, day, unsigned integer, char, year, and a file name. And I also declared an array of structures. So what does it mean? See here, let's pretend this is the array of structure. Okay, there's 149 indexes are there, indices, and each is an array of, is a structure. That means it has fields, right? It's a structure: permission, link, username, group name, and size, and this file name. So I have omitted some field names because of clarity. And so each index is a line in the file. Is a line in the file, each index, right? So you need to read this data I've given you into this structure. So for example, let's take this first line, bool.c. So the bool.c will be here. I'll let me write down here. The size, whatever the size, so the size is 282, like that, right? So you're going to read the entire file into this array, and your size, file name, size, file name, permissions, all these things will be recorded in this array. That's what this function I want you to write. I've given the code. All you got to do is put a while loop in here, a while loop here, to read continuously. Okay, to read continuously. And here I'm printing just to make sure that I'm reading the current one, and I'm copying that into the array. Each time when you use a while loop, make sure that I is incremented. I, while loop or for loop, whatever you do. And so when you, this function, when you are done, the while loop ends here, right? You would have done reading that file into this array. I will start now into the array. That array is this array. So you got the array, right? You got the array, right? Like I said, your only job is to put a while loop here. I've given that code also for you. You figure it out, okay? I'm not going to give you everything. and here close it. That's it. Okay. How you do, it's up to you. And every time you do, make sure you increment the I. Okay, even that I have given you. Alright, so now you're done. And you have the array of structure. Right? Now I am asking you to complete this function. So now you go. All I want you to do is add this up. Add this entire size of all files. Let's take this one. Add this up. All these things. All I want you to do is add all these sizes and store in a variable called total. Use a for loop, right? For I equal to 0, I less than 149, whatever it is, I plus plus, you have the array and the size, go and store it here. That's all I'm asking you. So you complete that, right? And then another function is, I'm saying 600. Print all the names of files that have larger than this size. Size is 600. So if you go to that file, is anything more than 600? See this one? So you need to print that bubbles. You need to print that bubbles sort.c because it's more than 600. And this is more than 600. Print that file name. Because these names are, where is it? It's in the array. It's in the array for you already. See here? It's already here. So everything is given to you. You don't have to do anything. Okay? Just try to understand the sample code I have given you. All you got to do is a while loop. That's it. Okay? Thank you.